Guys, this is how full HD video recording looks like using the rear camera or the main camera at the back of the Infinix Note 40 5G. So because we're shooting in full HD, we can turn on electronic image stabilization or EIS. And that can really help a lot in reducing shaking or to make the video less wobbly, less nakakahilo when you watch it, even when you're walking around while recording the shot. There you go. So if you are a YouTuber or if you are a vlogger, video content creator, lalo na if you're recording travel content, napakahalaga na you're walking around, diba, to make the shots look more dynamic. And definitely EIS helps a lot, diba? Electronic image stabilization helps a lot to make the shot appear more stable. This is how it looks. So yun nga lang, diba, when you turn on EIS, medyo may crop tayo, no? Because that also, the data from the wider shot is being used to give you a more stable image. So talaga magka-crop in talaga siya. Again, I'm now here at the Jones Bridge in Metro Manila. And this is post office. And as you can see here, diba? Sa sides niya, you have the Pasig River Esplanade, which is one of the newer tourist destinations dito sa Manila. This is the Pasig River, of course, and this is Escolta area. Yan, Escolta area. Yan ang unang-unang business district here sa Philippines, no? Or at least dito sa NCR. And I'm now right smack in the middle of Jones Bridge, and as you can see there, you have the China-Philippines Friendship Bridge. Ayan, and you have, of course, the arc here. I think this is this is a friendship arc between China and the Philippines, and this is going to Binondo area. And the Chinatown in Binondo is the oldest Chinatown in the world, so it's very historic, and it's really no wonder na napakaraming tourists na bumibisita dito sa area na to. Okay, even Filipinos love going here kasi sarap na mga pagkain sa Binondo. Ako, this is my favorite spot. Isa sa mga favorite spots ko here sa Metro Manila. So let's try 3x zoom. There you go, that's 3x zoom. So malinaw pa rin, di ba guys? Yeah. Okay, so let me show you more sample videos coming right up. Hi guys, so this is a sample video recorded using the front-facing camera of the Infinix Note 40 5G. So this is in full HD with electronic image stabilization turned on. So yeah, so if you like including yourself in your vlogs for talking head shots, this is how it looks if you're using the front-facing camera while you're walking around. So nakakatulong din yung EIS, na yung electronic image stabilization, but you still have to hold the phone steady, no? Again, I'm recording this using the Infinix Note 40 5G's front-facing camera. Yan siya, guys. Just let me show you around. That's the post office, Pasig River, Escolta area. And you have the Friendship Arc right there, China-Philippines Friendship Arc. And at the back, there you go, that's the China-Philippines Friendship Bridge. It's a very good spot. Ang dami dito makikita mga tourist spots, no? And of course, this one is the new Pasig River Esplanade. Hey guys, so this is dual video mode using the Infinix Note 40 5G. So I'm now here. I think this is the Jones Bridge in Binondo. So this is going to Binondo right there. Okay, so this is how it looks. Again, this is a dual video mode using the Infinix Note 40 5G. This is very useful for vlogging, as you can see, because I can give you my talking head narration while showing you what's in front of you.